Dog Wheel Hunt! Get that bitch, Leatherface! Get that bitch! Dog Wheel Hunt!
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another unboxing for you guys. Today we take a look at the Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2 vinyl from Waxwork Records. Stay tuned. Alright guys, yes, welcome back to the channel. Another unboxing, this time a vinyl unboxing. I haven't done one of these for a while. Actually, still have another one to unbox for you guys that I completely keep forgetting about. But yeah, before we dive into this, as usual, if you would, be so kind to hit that like, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the description box for all the external links to the social medias, the Instagram, Twitter, Letterboxd, yeah, all kinds of stuff on there. You can join the Patreon if you want, Amazon wishlist on there, all that good stuff. And speaking of Amazon wishlist, it is my birthday here on the 5th of next month, being April. So if you guys are feeling inclined to purchase something off there for that, you're welcome to do so. Or there is a direct PayPal link as well. Again, I don't ask anyone for anything, but the stuff is there if you guys are feeling froggy, I guess. So just throwing that out there. Yeah. Anyways, let's dive into this. Also with this, if you guys order from Waxwork Records, if I can ever talk, that would be great. They tell you who packed it. So this was packed carefully by Lomax, and they include some artwork on the other side, same as the vinyl. So that's really cool. A little something you can just set up on a shelf or next to a figure or something if you have it, or whatever you want to do with it. Make a sticker out of it maybe, or a magnet, I don't know, or just throw it away. It's your call. It's your piece of paper. Anyways, so Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. My favorite chainsaw of the franchise. Of course, I had to wear the shirt as well. Absolutely love this movie, so I had to grab this album to it, the soundtrack to it. Love this artwork. I think it is absolutely fantastic. Fantastic? There's a T in there. Fantastic. Okay. Yeah, everything about this movie I just love. I know it has its issues, but I think it's great. I think it's brilliant. But yeah, had to grab this. If this was on a shirt, I would definitely purchase that as well. Maybe it is. I don't know. It didn't really look. But yeah, let's take a look at the sticker here before I try to take it off. I try to save these if possible. You have Waxwork Records up here, Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2 there. Original motion picture score by Jerry Lambert, 180 gram colored vinyl. Composer liner notes, art by Robert Samelin. Again, I'm going to try to save this. I may cut away because this may be more difficult than I presume. So let's see how easily this comes off of here. I don't know if I'll end up putting it on the sleeve that this will go in or what, but it's not really wanting to come off. So I'm going to have to cut around this to be able to save this. So let's just open this thing up, and then I will do that at a later time. Let's go ahead and grab our knife here and be very, very careful. I'm cutting away from the vinyl, actually, the sharp edges up so I don't damage anything. So let's get the plastic off of this and carefully. You know what? Let's cut around that now, just to be. I'll cut my finger or the record itself, or the packaging itself. That would be great. And then I'll get a more refined cut on this at a later time. Hope everyone's doing well, by the way. Let me know what your favorite chainsaw is of the franchise. And if you guys have seen the new Netflix one, got it off, tell me what you think of that. Yeah, Chainsaw 2's just always held a special place for me, especially, Bill Moseley as Chop Top, just absolutely fantastic. Dennis Hopper's just freaking bizarre in this. Yeah, everybody's great. I know they had a couple people playing Leatherface in here as well. Here's your inside art. Let me back up there. Very, very awesome. This is from, looks like the opening scene when they're in the back of the truck. Very, very cool. Love that artwork. All right, let's be gentle here. All right, let's pull this on out. And you get the table scene here. And then you get the score story on the other side here. I'm not going to sit here and read this whole thing. But, yeah. I mean, you could even, like, frame this and put it on your wall. Very, very cool. All right, let's take a look at the album itself. Try to take this out gently. All right. There we go. Very, very cool. Again, from Waxwork Records. If you guys have not ordered from them before, I have gotten a few vinyls in from them, and the packaging is top notch. And delivery speed's a little bit slow, but not terrible. This was a brand new release, by the way. I pre-ordered this. I had to jump on this. I'll just leave that out of there for now. Let's go to the other side. Make sure there's nothing else in there. Let me show you guys the back before I forget, by the way. You have your track listing here. So side A, you have Night of the Massacre. You have Ernest's Walk, Inside Your Head, Leatherface, New Frontier, and Release. Side B, you have Abyss, Drive, Main Theme, Cut You Down to Size, Final Chainsaw Battle, Stretch's Seduction. Side C, you have Enright's Madness, Follow, Saul Chant, Stretch's Theme, Sunset Sunrise, Cataconia, and Kakla. Side D, you have Grandpa, Investigation, Radio Station, Rampage, Tense Moments, The Pit, and Awakening. So that is your track listing here. I gotta back up a little bit. I don't know if there's anything extra on the inside of this one or not. It doesn't seem to be. Alright, let's slide this out. I try to be as careful as possible, especially with the brand new records like this. You know, they're a little bit stiff on the packaging. I know you can replace your sleeves and everything. I haven't on any yet, but I don't know. I may at some point, may not. We'll see. Alright, same design on this one with that kind of silver like metal to match Chop Top's dome. There you got the blood splatter though. Very, very cool. Just absolutely loving this. Very excited to put this on and give it a spin. Yeah. Actually, I haven't watched this in quite some time, so I may need to revisit this movie as well. It's been probably a year since I watched it, which is pretty rare for not, watching your favorite movies. But when you have to watch stuff for like review and everything, it gets kind of difficult to revisit things a lot. Yeah, Texas Chainsaw Massacre Part 2 from Waxwork Records. That's it, guys. And you have the spine here as well, which is at least thick enough with being a gatefold to make out what it is if you guys store them that way. But yeah, I keep mine in a crate, so yeah, still pretty new to vinyl collecting. Again, trying to stick more to just horror soundtracks and things like that, but I have gotten in some regular music records as well, so it may grow, it may not. I've kind of cut back a little bit. I was kind of getting a lot there at first. You get kind of hooked on it, and kind of fades away, and then they release cool stuff like that. They are releasing, they just announced today, I shouldn't tell you guys this, but they are doing one for Demon Wind, and they have one in a bundle too, where you get the pins, you get a shirt, and it's like I believe a glow-in-the-dark lenticular cover on it or something. But no, wait, that's not Waxwork. That's TerraVision. Shh. Don't tell anybody I told you though. All right. Yeah, TerraVision is doing that. There's so many companies out there. I get them mixed up, just like with movies, you know, Vinegar Syndrome and Severin and Arrow and all those Scream Factories, and you forget who's releasing what. Yeah. But yeah, thank you guys for stopping by and checking out the video. And as always, guys, peace, love, and happiness to all of you. I will catch you guys next time. Later.
This is Stretch on an open request line on K Oakland in Burke Burnett, Texas. Red River Rock and Roll from the tip top of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Red River Rock and Roll request line, this is Stretch.
It is Stretch. It's the buzz again.
Oh, not again. Hang it up, lame-o. Go call your mother.
Lieutenant Enright, sir. Did you come over for the big game?
You know why I'm here.
Yes, there's something about chainsaw killers, your brother's kids killed.
You can slow it down now.
I came here because I thought I could help you. Now, I can put you on the radio, get people to believe you, get you some help.
You're gonna get in my way.
You're my fave. Me and Bubba, my little brother, we listen to you every night.
Record vault.
Oh, you keep the golden oldies and maybe the new music.
I know nobody's listening because y'all are all zooming, but I got a shot of hot rock and roll for you anyway.